Hey y'all, Bear here. We're cruising down the old gravel road here off Highway 11 outside of Gaffney on our way to the Furnace Place, also known as Nisbet's Furnace, Furnace Place, Furnace Mill, and Cowpens Furnace. Hey y'all, Bear here. Look here, we're out exploring. We had to go to Gaffney today, Gaffney, South Carolina in Cherokee County, take care of some business, and we did some poking around and found this Furnace Place historic site just outside of Gaffney off of Highway 11. Now, I don't have any of my camera gear with me. We're just going to shoot off the hip with my phone, me holding it, and see what we can find. Looks like might be a waterfall, a water wheel. They used to, it was a furnace for ironworks, building the railroad and the such back pre-Civil War. So you come in on a long little stretch of gravel road. Here's a little view of that. And then you get here. A little walking trail. I'll have to go see what that does. Let's see here. The Furnace Place historic site, given to the citizens of Cherokee County in loving memory of William Gladden Hunt Smoke, Jr. Alright, Mama's leading the charge. Whoops, stick in my sandal. Oh wow, look at the old stone wall. Old stacked stone. That's cool. Old water wheel. Wonder if we can find any information on it. If anything's stamped. There's something. But y'all gotta flip the camera upside down. Manufactured by the Fitz Water Wheel Company. Something, Pennsylvania, USA. Yeah, the graffiti's unfortunate. Pre-Civil War, this was a cotton gin. During the Civil War, they smelted iron here. After that, they made cornmeal. Old pop rivets. Well, they were turning something with that water wheel. The previous information was brought to us by Joe T. on Yelp, and he was able to see as a small boy 2 large limestones grind the corn into cornmeal. Ah, I see the creek. Whatever this led out to, I can see the creek out down there. Yeah. It has to be a cool little spot to come camp for the night if they'd let you. I don't think they allow anybody to come down here and camp though. It does look like somebody had a hammock or something strung up right there. Yeah, y'all, this isn't proper. There's a hammock strap. Somebody's nailed them to the tree when there's simply will wrap around the tree and hold. Don't do that. Man, this stone wall, it just comes all the way around down here. This is so cool right here. Check this. Almost looks like the trees just, there it is, growing right up out of the stone wall there. She's a behemoth these days. But I believe that wall has been there since the 1800s. Is this a dam and spillway? We got a rock path. You going down or you want me to go? Go first. It's a little bit slick. So, slow, easy steps there, Mama. I want to know what's on the other side of the wall. I want to say I saw photos where it was like a waterfall coming down right here. Well, we hear music, y'all, but it's not banjos. Yeah. Really cool old water wheel. Wonder how long it's been here. I'll have to look and see if I can do some research and find out how old it is. I'm gonna walk up here along this wall though and see if we can see a pond. All right, we're on top of the rock wall and the spillway here. And that's what we got on the other side. Honestly, doesn't look like much. I was kind of expecting a big body of water. Oh yeah. So this is the spillway over the top here. Here's our wheel. Okay, this is the other spillway where I said I saw photos where it looked like there was a waterfall. It comes up through here and across this little low spot. And the spillways runs off right here. Yeah, very cool. All right, what you think of the historic site here off of Route 11 outside of Gaffney? Wait, y'all stop the exit video. I figured out how the water wheel worked. Y'all watch this. So I'm heading back down and I see this between the road and the historic site down below us. And here's that tree growing up in between two walls apparently. Probably about 4 to 5 feet deep. I bet, oh yeah. I know what this is now. This path here brings water into the water wheel. This is where the water came from to power the water wheel and then back down into the creek. That's exactly what's going on. Yep. So there's the pipe coming out and the natural terrain that takes us down to the water wheel and then back off into the creek. So that's cool. They were diverting water up here. Reminds me of Lansford Canal State Park, where you've got the canal that diverts water from the river to go around the shoals. Wonder maybe this is for some old locks on the walls. All right, now back to our final thoughts.
It's always neat to see a piece of history.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I like the wagon wheel, the water wheel.
Yes.
The water wheel is really cool. And I was really surprised that this wasn't a big body of water going into the creek down there. It's just a bigger stream, up higher. They controlled the drop off. I don't know. Would love to have seen what it looked like way back when.
Yeah.
Interesting. Anyhow, that's it. We're heading back east. We live east of here. We're heading back east, and we'll see you on the trail.